It's a big need, especially after the tornadoes and the disaster. You got some people still trying to recover. You got some people who may never recover. But at least knowing somebody is out there that got your back and trying to help you can go a long way.
My name is Ashley Browning. I am a graduate student at the Wright State University, and I am majoring in nonprofit management. I also am employed by Wright State University. I work with the SARDI program. My organization, So Loved, is opening a tornado relief center.
I think it'll be a great thing for the community. So if the people get behind it and keep donating, then she can help more people.
So I started an organization called So Loved in 2013. It was basically to just kind of show God's love to people in the community, some outreach initiatives and efforts. My goal with this space is hopefully it'll be a one-stop shop. I want it to be a space where people can come and get those personal hygiene items, household items, cleaning supplies and that stuff. And then also if they need to come and get a meal, they can get a meal, a hot meal, because some people are still staying in hotels and they are not eating hot meals. They're just eating, you know, out of a can or whatever they can get at that moment. I love my position, I love my job, I love my coworkers. I love that everything that Wright State have to offer. And I'm loving the program that I'm in so far for nonprofit management. And I pray that I continue to grow here and continue to love it. I just know that if I didn't have people in my life to help me, that I could be in, you know, situations that are not the best. So being able to help somebody and being a helping hand is like the best experience ever, because we all need somebody to help us along the way. If I'm able to help one person, I'm happy with that.